Strolling through the town on a bike ride. Just finished having a lunch. Come on, Miss Saigon, where you at? You have to share the road with the motorcycles here. Oh, look at. I think we kind of look like locals. Coming up on the Mekong Devils bicycle gang. Muppet Movies taking a ride here through a village. Milk, Mekong Delta of Vietnam. Why are there so many songs about rainbows? What's on the other side? Probably a motorcycle.